The vehicle is a 13 plus 1.5 cubic meter garbage compactor. There are daily maintenance tasks for our vehicle: oiling the rear and inner sledges. The vehicle needs to be washed daily. As it contains waste, the accumulated dirt clogs the water channels. The cylinder tops need to be lubricated weekly. The places with folders of machine working equipment need to be lubricated. When the rear and inner compartments are full, there is a dirty water valve here. We open it from here and the dirty water needs to fall out to the waste area. We open the side walls. Inside the side walls, there are cylinders and slides that need to be lubricated. Here are main parts of machine. You should pay attention to these sensors. If the sensors do not work, if a garbage or something touches there, it will not activate. When we start to working, firstly engage the PTO. After the PTO is engaged, we turn on the main switch, we do ESC, and we turn on the rear lights, the top light, and the camera. After turning on the camera, the PTO is activated and the system is working. We press the safety switch and lift the rear container, then lower the rear container. In the same way, when we want to operate the inner curtain, we open the safety switch, we make the inner curtain forward and we make it back. Like this, our vehicles. When the steps are opened, this vehicle will not reverse. There are sensors here. If the sensor does not activate, the vehicle will reverse and may hit an object or a person at the back. Our control linges are like this. We attach the waste containers from here and the lubrication from this. There is lubrication on both sides. You should be attention to the lubrication because they may not work when they are lean. The manual linges is here. We open it and after these arms is opened, hydraulic arms. We empty the waste in the container inside. After emptying, we lower it. After taking the container, we close the levers and manually empty the system where the waste is poured in like this. Then we close the levers. To throw the waste and material accumulated inside into the inner compartment, we lower it manually with these levers, compress the inner scoop into the waste, and then throw the inner compartment to the back like this. To throw the waste inside to the front compartment, we move the scoop and after taking the waste into the scoop's mouth, it throws it to the front compartment like this. We have a button here. According to the shapes here, the buttons, there is a warning button for the driver inside. When something happens here, it warns the driver inside. This button gives gas to the vehicle. It speeds up the system. We have an emergency stop here. And here we have a stand button. This stand button ensures the automatic operation of the inner scoop. While the inner scoop is operating automatically, we have an emergency stop to stop it in sudden interventions. We stop it with the emergency stop like this. After the vehicle is filled with waste, we have emergency buttons when we press automatic for the inner scoop to operate. When we press it inside, when there is a live animal or a live item inside, we have an emergency stop to prevent it from being crushed. We have a button here. We have a safety switch here. We press the safety switch, we lift the compartment. After lifting the compartment, we release it. After lifting the compartment, to pull back the inner curtain, we press the safety switch again and press the inner curtain. We throw the waste outside. After throwing the waste, we press the safety switch again. We lower the compartment. After lowering it, It ends like this. We press the safety switch first, then we lift the compartment, we lift the back of the car all the way up. Then we move the inner curtain outward and ensure the waste is emptied. After lifting the rear compartment, I move the scoop to pour the waste inside back outside. There is oil in the safety in our vehicle, after charging and holding it, here. Like this. When lubrication is to be done, lubrication can be done after securing the inner scoop like this. The water accumulated in the waste slide, water accumulates at the bottom. That water, the dirty water, fills into this dirty water tank from here. Every evening, we open the lid method here and empty this water inside onto the ground. Then we put the lid back on.